welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making the Old Square, also known as the Vieux Carré, which is the French nickname for the French Quarter in New Orleans, where this drink was invented in the 1930s. This is the paired cocktail for the April 2015 Vinyl Me Please featured album, Menomena's Friend and Foe. And with that, let's begin. Grab a mixing glass and start by adding 1 ounce of cognac, then an ounce of rye whiskey, followed by an ounce of sweet vermouth. Next we add a bar spoon of Dom Benedictine. A bar spoon is approximately 1 teaspoon. We'll finish this off by adding 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, followed by 2 dashes of Peychaud's Bitters. Next we fill our glass halfway with cubed ice and stir to chill. I usually stir until the outside of the glass feels cold. The whole idea is that we're chilling the drink, we're not diluting it. So you want to be gentle with your stirring. You don't want to break apart this ice. Next we grab an old-fashioned glass and add 1 large ice cube. Alternatively, you can use several smaller cubes or a large whiskey stone. Now we're going to take our strainer and strain the contents of this glass into this glass. And lastly, we're going to express this lemon peel, which means just kind of squeeze it over the glass, and then just kind of rim the glass with this lemon. And finally, just drop lemon peel as a garnish into the glass. And there you have the Old Square. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, that is an amazing drink because think about this. I never added any juice or any syrups. This is all alcohol into this drink and it's smooth as can be. I'm telling you, I took a nice big sip, didn't get any of that, oh, too much alcohol type, hit my mouth kind of a thing. It is, this is dangerous how smooth it is. It's fantastic. Really encourage you guys to make your own. One more sip for the road here. Well, that is all the time I have for you. I want to thank you again for watching. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.